Hey there. As your dedicated pension specialist, I just wrapped up your retirement review. Let's dive right in.
We looked at your four main pillars: Social Security, your pension, traditional savings, and any extra strategies. But looking at those numbers, we found a pretty critical gap in your projected future income.
It's a stark reality. There's a big difference between the money you'll have and what you'll actually need.
If we skip our upcoming strategy Zoom, nothing changes. And trust me, that gap won't fix itself.
In fact, with the relentless rising costs of inflation, your retirement shortfall is only going to get worse.
Plus, unavoidable taxes are just going to keep eating away at the traditional retirement savings you've already built up.
Add unpredictable market volatility into the mix, and you're looking at some serious risk to your financial stability.
But hey, here's the good news. Our strategy Zoom is exactly where we fix this whole shebang.
We're going to look at real options and hard numbers to actively secure your income for the future.
Ultimately, it's your call. We can put a sensible strategy in place, or you can choose to do nothing.
Take action today. Fill out that quick questionnaire right now so we can hit the ground running.
So what'll it be? Will you let market realities widen your gap, or let's fix it today?